Hi, this is Chinmayi and today is extremely special that I finally announced the launch of I Love Skin on the 8th of December. We are actually setting up a live stall at the Fanfare Bazaar, Kochi, and this stall will be active from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and the website will also be live on the 8th of December. I Love Skin is something that has been my it's been a dream come true, something that I've been working on for a pretty long while. And so many of you, I have shared my skincare journey with so many of you. I have learned so much from the original K-beauty gurus like Holy Snails, Fiddy Snails, Tracy, Stephen Align Co, Lab Muffin Beauty Science. I've learned so much about skincare and the myths behind skincare in these past few years, a lot of which I have also shared with you guys on Instagram and from across my social media pages. From the beginning of my K-beauty awareness and myself getting introduced to what K-beauty was and going down the rabbit hole and importing K-beauty from various sellers from Korea and sharing those websites with you, to so many of you asking me what do you do with customs, because to a lot of you the concept of paying customs duty was very, very new, and that made me wonder what is the way around and what is the legal, the right royal solution to something like this. So with the help of the Korean Trade Research Agency, I made a trip to Korea, met with a lot of businesses there, a lot of beautiful skincare brands in Korea. In Seoul, and I'm extremely glad to announce that it's taken me though almost about 2 years to get the legal certification and the paperwork done, completed, to get the right to legally import, trade and sell the following K-beauty brands right here in India, which is Pyangkangyul, Lee Ji-han, Ultru, and we have a working collaboration with CosRx. I'm also looking, we are in the process of registering a few more brands here in India, and the paperwork is in progress. As and when that comes through, we'll be extremely happy to be launching them as days go by. You can keep yourself updated with the I Love Skin Instagram page and our Facebook pages. The website will also carry a lot of updates on which products are new launches. In addition, I Love Skin's own baby has been the Jade Roller. I saw how I liked using the gemstone roller, and I wondered what it would be like to get it made right here in India, in Tamil Nadu. So I reached out to a couple of sthapatis that I knew, got the jade roller certified by the Madras Gemological Institute that it is actually Indian jade, because actual imperial jade is extremely expensive and costs perhaps more than diamonds itself. It's extremely, just a small bit of imperial jade is extremely expensive. So our first offering from I Love Skin's own brand is the Jade Roller, and as days go by, we will be launching a lot of products that are indigenous, that are locally sourced, locally made, and presented to you, hoping that I Love Skin will be something special, and even if it plays a small important part in your self-care and skincare journey, I'd be extremely gratified. As days go by, I intend to share my own skincare experiences with you, and which I have been extremely honest to also share with you guys that what works for me need not work for you. And also I guess I wouldn't be here if I hadn't learned so much about K-beauty from people like Jude Chow and Tracy and Holy Snails, and I am looking forward to a great amount of learning and collaboration with these experts also in the time to come. I really hope that no matter what your gender identity, I hope you will get to a point where you understand and truly feel that you deserve self-care, that you deserve skincare, and you need to, whatever you believe should be, even if you don't want to take care of your skin in a certain set way, that should also be absolutely okay. So self-care without guilt and self-care without judgment. So I really hope that I Love Skin can play some tiny part in your self-care journey, and I'm looking forward to learning a lot with this new brand and this new baby. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye. Presenting to you, I Love Skin.